Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on Thursday, January the 4th, 2024. Hard to believe it's 2024. This first week is going pretty well. Today was the worst day I've had on the new year, in the new trading month. Today was pretty much a wash day. I think we were up $600 and some on eval accounts. We were down $600 and some on PAs, which is the most important. So first red day for the PA accounts of the year. Thankfully, we didn't do too much damage, and a lot of that comes because of Guardian Angel Trader having that set up for us, and it definitely helps. And it's really just helped mentally. I just don't feel like trading and losing a lot of money. For example, the Take Profit account, I do not have Guardian Angel Trader set up yet. I will. But then again, I'm trading it well as well. So highlights for today, our opening range trade once again was a win. The negative that follows that is the same thing I talked about yesterday, that my trade following the opening range trade was a loser. And yesterday I said I was just going to trade the opening minute or two and get that first opening range trade, and then I was not going to trade until like after 10 o'clock. Well, guess what? I didn't listen to myself. So as you can see, we had, this is the wrong account. The winning trade was on this account here. So this was the opening range trade. Let's get this a little bit bigger. I caught the long entry this morning. Caught along here and sold it at a I don't know how much profit I had, about 300 and this trade right here, 366. For some reason this PA was only up 306, and sadly I had a $291 profit on this PA. So we ended up giving back $600 on that account today. I'm pretty ticked at myself that I did that, but I just thought, well, this account here it's already at day, like, I want to say 9 or 10 or maybe 11. I was like, well, it's at 50,000, it was at 50,300-ish. I'm like, wow, I'll trade it for a little bit more today and see if we can't get it up to like, 50,600 and get it closer to this 51.2, because this account's almost 50% of the way to a payout. And we're only on day 4 on this account, on this PA10. So, well, needless to say, I gave back. So that's a bit frustrating. Also, obviously had on this after the open trade, this was, I traded these other accounts, and this is just stupid trade. I bought here at the top with my opening range trade strategy. So I was trading with 3 contracts. And I just flat out got stopped out. Wait a minute, did I get stopped out? Yeah. I actually went, that's it. I went short here. That's what I did. I went short, and we had this wick up and stopped me out before pulling back. So my call was right, my entry was poor, and I paid the ultimate price with a loss. So that's, I don't know why. I don't know why I do that. I think it's just, I'm on this win from opening range trade, and I've got 5 or 6 accounts that are nicely green, and oftentimes the only trade I take on those accounts. And then you're like, man, that was awesome. I just had a good win. And you're looking at the market and you're going, I can grab this one with the rest of the accounts. And, why? Oh, it's so frustrating. It is so frustrating to me that I did that. But, yeah, I have to stop doing that. I need to do my opening range trade and then wait until we get over into this 10-1030 area and then work on the rest of the accounts. And it would be so much smarter. But I didn't do that. And like I said, I paid the price. Win-wise, continuing down the win journey, this PA being at 51,259, so pretty much 50% of the way to payout. Love that. Day 4, I believe. These 4 evals, doing very well on those. These are, not quite at halfway to being passed. Doing very well on those. I think only day 3 or 4 on those. And then my take profit account, $580 profit today on that. So that account's up $840 in 2 days. So I think I need to trade a minimum of 5 days and get to 53,000 in order for that to get passed. And then I think also get a free account. And this code is actually good for a 50% discount right now. This my BCT Take Profit Trader code is good for 50% discount and a free account if you pass the eval. So yeah, that's I'm kind of liking that account. For some reason, I'm trading it well, so I'll take it. But yeah, so that's kind of the win for today. Don't forget that the Apex 80% off sale ends tonight at midnight. So if you need evals from Apex, please use my code BVLSTBTS. I know it's a little bit lengthy, but yeah, if you can remember that code or write it down and please use it, it does help my channel a little bit. Also, if you're new here, please like and subscribe. And I will continue to do these daily update videos and take you along on my trading journey. My goals are getting to 10 funded accounts with Apex. Take profit, we'll see where that goes. I didn't really set a goal there. I think I just want to get the one account passed once and we'll see how that goes. But the main goal is getting 10 Apex accounts funded and getting to a payout. And I would say that I feel like I need to reach a payout by February 1st. I really, truly do. Maybe that's a little too aggressive, but I feel like my opening range trade strategy is working so well. I have not lost on that system since I've been trading this. I have not lost on it. Now, I know it's not going to always be a winner, but it's going quite well. And if I can just keep the rest of my day in check, I should be able to make a payout. And I feel like I'm very well on the journey. These 4 PA or 4 evals are definitely well on track to getting funded. And if I could get that would get me to 8 funded accounts. I've got about 8 more evals that are going to rebuild this coming weekend. So by next week, I'll have another 8 accounts that I can work in. Surely I can get to 10 funded accounts by the end of January. I certainly hope so. And if this train continues on the Take Profit, then hopefully we get that account funded as well, and then we keep marching on. My only big concern account is this PA number 8. This account is about 300-ish away from being blown. Maybe a little more than 300, but I need a good win day on that, and I'm really thinking about taking it out of my opening range trade altogether. I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. I'll see how I feel in the morning, because if I happen to lose on that trade, I could blow that PA. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm going to look at the balance and see where that's at. But I do want to show, I created this little spreadsheet that I've been using. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but on the eval side this week, we've had a green week, green every day, net green every day. And on the PA side, today was the first red day that we've had, 648, and we've had 2 winning days. So we are green on the week on the PA accounts, 295 so far. So hopefully we can have a good day tomorrow and end the week a little bit stronger. So I don't know, just this little Excel sheet really just helps me to keep it in perspective. And even though today was not a good day, I mean, it wasn't really a bad day either. We still managed to stay green on the PAs, and on the eval side, we've had a green. Every day has been green so far. So quite happy with that, and just need to keep that in perspective. So I think I will leave it at that. Hope you had a good trading day. I know it was a bit of a rough day. I think a fair amount of people struggled with today. The price action was just not as friendly as a lot of us like it. And we just really had this one big move today. We moved up, hit this high, and then just kind of dwindled and had a bit of a just funky price action here midday. And then we had this big drop this afternoon. I had actually anticipated this drop, was in a trade, got stopped out. I was in a short trade, and it stopped me out. And so then I was in GAT timeout, and so I couldn't even trade this at all, which was frustrating. And the frustration too is that I chose I chose the move perfectly. My entry was just not correct, or I would have had to take a very, very, very big stop. But in any case, you live and you learn. But hey, it was a good day. It's been a good week, and hopefully tomorrow, Friday, we can wrap the week up and finish strong. So good luck out there. Hope you're doing well, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow.